Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel, a channel that features only the craziest and most epic encounters caught on biker's camera. You can find all the latest trending clips right here on this channel, so make sure to stick around because you won't be disappointed. Without any further ado, let's dive straight into this episode. Biker stopped at a crosswalk for a pedestrian, but not everyone was paying attention. You saw how a crazy driver passed him on the inside. Even the lady who tried to cross the road had to stop. To be fair, the driver apologized immediately when the biker confronted him. According to him, he didn't see the lady at the crosswalk at all, and he also thought that the biker was going to make a left turn. All those things he stated came as a response of not paying attention in traffic.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
In this video, you will see how the biker is dealing in everyday situations with crazy drivers. This is nothing new, and unfortunately, these drivers never change. Well, not until it's too late. This is what happens when bikers don't pay attention in traffic. Check it out. Even though this biker had green light, these pedestrians didn't care and they brought this upon themselves. Watch what happened.
Faz assim não, caralho. Responsável do caralho, mano. Why? 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 Why?
We say it all the time. Keep away from your phone while driving. Some drivers don't listen at all, and this is the outcome. It's a good thing that the biker was doing fine, but regardless of that, a bad move by the driver.
Compa, yo me voy a meter aquí con todo respeto.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
No se creo, mae. Ah. Un poquito aquí sí, pero no.
Aquí los brazos.
No, fue nada más como el golpe. No.
La espalda.
No, estoy bien. Sí, nada más fue aquí, pero fue como en la moto. ¿Cuál es? De casualidad sabes el número de los links?
800, 8000.
800. Sí.
I'm not sure what exactly led to this cyclist falling over, Maybe she has some health conditions, or she was just clumsy. Either way, these bikers were at the right time to lend her a helping hand.
Let's go ahead and hunt up. There we go. Der rejser op. Og du er okay? Ja. Hvad siger du? Kører du bare rundt nu, eller hvad?
It just took one wet spot on the road, just one, and it was enough for the biker to find himself at the wrong place. This has got to be one of the unluckiest bikers out there. Unbelievable.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh! I've McFallen! I'm sorry. I've McFallen.
When you don't slow down at a sharp curve, you might easily regret it. Check out what happened here.
What's up? Ouais, c'est bon. Ça va, gros? T'es sûr? Putain, ça m'a éclaté une couille. Attends.
Whenever you see trash on the road, pull over and do the right thing. It won't cost you anything other than a great feeling of satisfaction. We can all learn from this biker here. Biker wandered off in his thoughts, so much so that he didn't notice he was doing almost double the speed limit. When the cops pulled him over, he thought it was because he was being too loud. Little did he know that this was the outcome.
Tja.
2 sekunder bara.
Ja.
Joakim, vet du varför vi stoppade idag här?
För att den låter?
Nej. Inte för att den låter. Hur fort får man köra här?
70.
70. Jag mätte upp dig till 147 va? 143.
Aj satan.
Med laser där borta.
Mhm.
Som sagt, det är 70 här.
Mm.
Du lasar till 143.
Mm.
Det är sådär, nästan dubblet.
Ja, det är inget bra alls.
Nej, jag förstår att det är lite sommarkänsla, motorcykel och
Ja.
filma lite och sådär. Men du får fortfarande inte.
Det är så här. Det kommer ju dels bli en böter. Ja. Och så kommer vi behöva omhänderta.
Have mercy.
Ett körkort. Godtar du böter? Ja. Det är inga problem.
What surprised me the most is the calmness of the biker. Despite having his license suspended for a long period of time and financially being fined, he accepted it without hesitation. This is what it means to take responsibility for your actions, and we applaud him for acting the way he did.
Ja. Och hade du inte varit så här trevlig då hade du inte fått köra här. Ja, men det är samma. Jag vill faktiskt tacka för att ni också har varit trevliga, för det är inte alltid det så. Nej, men såklart. Det är ju inte världens roligaste grej det här, det förstår jag. Nej, så är det. Men som sagt, man kan vara trevlig i alla fall. Så det...
Ja, vi tycker inte heller det är så jättefestligt.
Nej, men det... Ja. Men det var allt då. Tack.
It's never a smart idea to be doing a burnout in the middle of the road. This biker was even noticed by a police officer, who eventually pulled him over. The way this officer was angry, you will think that the biker was in for a lot of trouble. Stay tuned to see what happened next.
Oh no!
Stop!
What?
Stop!
So, is it smart to be doing burnouts in the middle of the road?
Huh?
Is it smart to be doing burnouts in the middle of the road?
I don't know, something up with my bike.
Okay, so you were doing a burnout. Your suspension's got nothing to do with you doing a burnout down there.
What?
Shut the bike off and take your helmet off. If you can't hear me, shut the bike off, take your helmet off.
I can hear you.
Okay, is it intelligent to be doing burnouts in the middle of the street?
I don't think so.
Okay, were you just doing one? I saw you and heard you.
Yeah, like I said, there's something up with my bike.
Okay, so doing a burnout is what's fixing it?
I don't think so.
Okay, have a good day.
¿Qué faz, imbécil?
This wasn't a dangerous situation, not at all, but it could have easily turned into one. Biker felt the need to tell her about her mistake, and this is how the whole encounter looked like.
El pròxim cop, mira per on vas, vale? Perquè anaves a direcció a la dreta, jo amb l'intermitent, i què? Què faig? He de tirar recte perquè tu sudes del carril o què? Cony, és que em podries haver tirat. Deixa el mòbil... No, t'ho dic... Ah, ¿me has entendido? Vale, que tengas cuidado porque, coño, me podrías haber tirado y...
Round 1, fight. Round 2, fight.
I'm joking! Stop!
Round 3, fight!
Someone was brave enough to try and break the fight apart, and luckily, it didn't last that long. With this clip, we conclude yet another epic episode on Maxi channel. I hope that you enjoyed watching and learning something from all the mistakes shown in today's episode. It's our goal to make our viewers think about all the possible scenarios in traffic and be extra careful while being out on the road. If you like this type of content, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.